Hello everyone. Do you want to earn from today? Do you want to earn from now? Then friends, this is the opportunity which is definitely for you. And friends, here earning is guaranteed. So please watch the video till the end to understand how you are going to earn from now itself. So friends, the link of this page will be given in description, and after watching this video you are going to earn from today and from now itself. So if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get all this kind of opportunity. So friends, this link will be given in the description. This is the official website of opinionworld.in. Now how to earn, so the step by step procedure we will learn. So friends, first you need to join. Okay, so once you click on join, then you have two options. Either you can sign up with Google, or you can sign up with Facebook, or you can fill all the details and then you can sign up. So I will go with join with Google. Okay, and friends, I have already logged into my email ID, so I'll be redirected to this particular page. Then my date of birth, so I'll put my correct date of birth. Okay, so 21st 11, and here it will be okay, so 1993, and gender, so male, and name, so I'll put my name here, Pratik Srivastava. Okay, and then what is your postal code? So 84001. Okay, I am not a robot. Postal code does not exist. Okay, so I'll give some other postal code. Okay, fine. And then I have read and understood the opinion word policy and terms and condition. And then try opinion word free. So after this, you will be redirected to this particular page. So if you want to save the username and the password, then you can do it. Otherwise, no problem. Your first survey is waiting. Okay. Now, so friends, basically you will get paid for the surveys. Okay. Now, so here you can see rewards, because this is where you are going to earn. So friends, there are a lot of categories are there. Okay, and friends, for every surveys you will be getting some points. So you can see Amazon Pay gift card 500 points. So once you click over here, so friends, after survey I will tell you how to take surveys and all, but after survey you can see, so if you're getting 500 points, that is nothing but 500 rupees. Okay, so if you have total 500 points, after the surveys, and the surveys, it's very easy. So in 15 minutes you can earn 50 points or 100 points, right? So this is one of them, right? So 500 rupees you will be getting into your Amazon account. Okay, so you can also come down and you can see here to add your points to your Amazon Pay balance. So this will be also added to your Amazon pay balance, and that you can also use it for buying the groceries, for vegetables, right? For your home groceries, or maybe for buying anything. So this will be your actual nowadays, like, right, we have Phone Pay, Google Pay. So using Amazon also you can pay everywhere, right? So all these benefits has been mentioned here. Okay, so friends, if you're getting the points, that points you can easily convert into the rupees. See, Amazon Pay gift card can be seamlessly converted to Amazon Pay balance. Now customer can use their Amazon Pay balance to shop across 16 crores plus product on Amazon, recharge their mobile numbers, purchase vouchers of 150 plus brand. So all those things you can do it. So basically it's a money for you. Now how to get the money, how to earn the points? So friends, you need to click on your surveys, right? So you have, see, you can see in 30 minutes. So if you'll do this particular survey, home and family, so it will take 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes you will be getting 150 points. That means in 30 minutes you are getting 150 rupees, right? So there are a lot of surveys are there. Okay, so once you'll complete this, then after that you'll be getting the other surveys, right? So they will ask you the categories of the surveys, and that amount you will be getting into the your rewards, right? So you can select the categories here for the gift vouchers and the other things, right? Okay, and friends, there are badges are there, so there are a lot of things are there. Okay, so you'll be getting the badges. So as soon as you'll progress with the points, right now I have 0 points. Okay, so you can also explore. There are a lot of things are there. So friends, start this survey and start earning from today itself, and make sure that from today and from now on you have the opportunity to earn. And this is a guaranteed earning, because as soon as you get the points, you will be easily able to convert into the Amazon pay balance, and this is what you will be using it in all kind of shopping. Thank you, friends.